Are you ready to discover one of the Mediterranean's best-kept secrets, a place where sun, sea, and smart investment meet? If yes, hit subscribe now for CYPRUS Real View, because what I'm about to share could change the way you think about real estate, travel, and passive income forever. Imagine owning a piece of paradise where property values are rising steadily, tourism is booming, and demand for rentals is skyrocketing. Welcome to Northern Cyprus, a region that's rapidly becoming one of the hottest real estate and tourism hotspots in Europe. Whether you're looking for a holiday home, a stable rental income, or long-term capital appreciation, now is the moment to act. In 2025, the real estate market in Northern Cyprus is experiencing extraordinary momentum. According to recent data, residential real estate prices have climbed significantly compared to earlier this year, reflecting strong investor confidence. Coastal regions such as Kyrenia, Kyrenia, Iskele, Long Beach, and Famagusta, Mausa, are leading the charge, with modern apartments and villas showing particularly robust growth. What's fueling this boom? Several powerful factors converge here. First, the surge in tourism. Northern Cyprus now attracts over 2 million visitors annually, pushing demand for short-term rentals and holiday homes through the roof. On top of that, a growing expat community and increasing numbers of international students create steady long-term rental demand, meaning even outside the tourist season, you have a stable income stream. Moreover, infrastructure developments, new marinas, upgraded airports, improved roads, and modern residential complexes are transforming the region. This is not just a boom of speculative hype. It's a long-term transformation making Northern Cyprus more accessible and livable than ever. One standout trend: villas and seafront properties are outperforming the rest of the market, thanks to high rental yield potential, scenic locations, and strong demand from foreigners seeking both holiday homes and long-term investments. In April 2025 alone, international demand for villas shot up by 21%. That's a huge signal for investors looking for high-end, high-return real estate. But it's not just luxury. Smaller apartments, 1+1 or 2+1, are also in high demand. Especially in university towns and tourist-friendly coastal cities, these units are rented quickly to students, expatriates, and holiday goers alike. That means whether you invest in a villa or a modest apartment, there's a solid path to returns. Another advantage: many developers now offer flexible payment plans and off-plan projects, meaning you can buy early during construction at lower prices and pay in installments, securing higher long-term appreciation. For investors, that's a golden opportunity: lower entry cost, plus upside as value rises. Currency dynamics also work in favor of foreign investors. While the local economy uses Turkish lira, property transactions, renters and tourists often operate in stronger currencies, euro, pound or foreign dollars, which reduces currency risk and protects real returns. So what could this mean for you, especially if you're watching from abroad or considering a second home or passive income stream? Let me paint a picture. You buy a 2+1 apartment in a coastal town near Kyrenia. You rent it during the summer to holidaymakers, then during the academic year to students or expatriates, earning foreign currency rent all year round. Meanwhile, property values rise steadily as infrastructure develops and demand keeps climbing. Or maybe you go big, invest in a villa by the sea, enjoy part of the year yourself, and rent it out the rest, earning high holiday rental yields and long-term capital growth. Many investors are doing exactly that now. Of course, no investment is completely risk-free. Some experts point out that land is limited and zoning regulations are getting stricter, which can limit the supply of new properties, potentially slowing down future development. But from the perspective of a buyer, that scarcity works in your favor. Less supply means the properties you buy now will likely become more valuable over time. There's also economic volatility to consider. Global economic shifts, currency fluctuations, and political regulatory uncertainties in the region can affect returns. However, the current combination of tourism growth, infrastructure investment, and increasing foreign interest makes Northern Cyprus one of the most promising real estate markets in the Mediterranean right now. If you ask me, as someone already familiar with Northern Cyprus, this is a unique window of opportunity. The rising demand, strong rental yields, and upward price trajectory are aligning perfectly. The earlier you invest, the bigger your potential gains, especially if you choose smartly. Properties near the coast, near amenities, or in upcoming development zones. So if you're considering investing in real estate, holiday homes, or rental properties, Northern Cyprus deserves serious attention. And if you want, in an upcoming video, I can walk you through top 5 investment-ready neighborhoods in Northern Cyprus with price ranges, rental yield estimates, and purchase advice tailored for investors like you. If you want to stay ahead and catch the real estate wave in Northern Cyprus, subscribe now to CYPRUS Real View, like this video, and hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss the next deep dive. Let's turn sun, sea, and smart decisions into real wealth together.